Hermes 3000. Made in Switzerland. Very, very nice machine from 1961. My name's Paul Schweitzer, owner and partner of Gramercy Typewriter Company. We're located at 108 West 17th Street, just off 6th Avenue.
And what is Gramercy Typewriter?
Well, Gramercy Typewriter was established in 1932 by my father, Abraham Schweitzer. He was in the repair and sales of typewriters. And here we are, all these years later, still in the typewriter business. My son, Justin, has come into the business approximately 15 years ago, and he seems to be in charge.
Tell me, Jay, what's it like to work alongside your father?
It's very nice. It's great being around someone with all that experience, learning, because in this business you always come across something you've never seen before. When you start out with a machine that's in pretty rough shape, and then when you finish it and you see that it's like new again, that's probably the best part.
This is a type of a machine that people find in their garages or in their attics. And they bring them into us and they want me to recondition a machine like this. But here's the finished product.
Wow.
Same machine.
I think this one's my favorite here.
That is a beauty. It's a metal machine, but they called it the wood grain look. From what I see and hear from our typewriter customers, they like the feel of the machine. They like to see the words hit the paper. There's no distractions when they're working on a typewriter. No pop-ups and things that they'll get on their computers.
Well, when you're typing, it's more like the clip clop of a horse, and it slows you down, it slows your breathing down, you're back to reality, as compared to being in a car where everything is just automatic, so you're not even in charge.
Everybody can get used to a typewriter with a little bit of practice. This is a sample of work done on this machine. Comes in a carrying case.
I love that.
And you're on your way.
You're on your way.
I seem to think that whatever I'm doing, a typewriter is sufficient. I don't really have a computer. I just continue with the way I've been doing it all these years, and it seems to be working out well for me.